Okay. All right, let's move over to our next one. All right. Let's move over to our next one. All right, guys. Here we go.
What is the best thing to shampoo your carpet with? In my opinion, it's going to be Oxy Clean Stain Remover. I just put that in my carpet shampooer. Now, I know you're thinking, girl, how'd that carpet get like that? Girl, let me tell you, I went through my makeup and I gave it to my child. Like, I'm really kicking myself for that right now. She had a friend over. Shit got crazy up in there. They came up with all these Halloween looks, and this is what happened to the carpet. And before somebody says, just get hardwood floors. Okay, I just got to get $2,000. Okay, so let's come up with practical solutions for practical problems. I have carpet, it's stained up. What can I do right now to fix it? I can shampoo it. Hardwood floors in the future.
Okay, so simple enough, right? But the only thing I would recommend that this lady not do that if I'm not mistaken, that particular let me kind of back up here. That particular shampooer is a gravity shampooer, okay? Meaning that the water just trickles down to the floor, okay? So you need to find out if your shampooer have a pump or if your shampooer is gravity, okay? Meaning that the water just trickles down, okay? And just kind of just flows down to the carpet versus having to go through a pump system where it shoots it out. If you use that OxyClean solution in a pump shampooer, it's gonna just kill it. Okay, it's not a good idea. The other thing is you can still use the OxyClean, but just spray it on the carpet first. Okay, and at that point you won't even need solution in your tank. You just use water, okay, and just shampoo over the carpet. Okay, so that would be my recommendation. All right. Okay, so don't add that kind of chemical stuff to your shampoo tank, especially if it tells you specifically to use their formulas, because then you're going to avoid your warranty. Okay, because it's not something that the machine messed up on. It's not a defect. It was the way you used it that caused the problem. Fair enough. So you have to really understand the fine print of what a limited warranty mean and what they'll cover. Okay, they're not going to cover you putting some foreign substance in the shampooer and then it destroys the pump, and then you bring it in, and if the guy who you bring it into does the inspection and he's like, man, you got a bunch of this crystal stuff inside the pump, okay, and let's say they have to send a picture like what Lewis was saying, they have to send multiple pictures to to the company or whatever, then that's it. Sorry, there's no, you're not going to be able to get covered. Okay, it's just the way it is. All right.